Yes, members, you're most welcome once again to this yet new tutorial. In the last lesson, lesson 3, we ended by opening an account with Exness as the broker, and we said that account is one which is going to be helping us to do the trading. In other words, we'll be doing the trading using the broker called Exness, like we agreed in the previous lesson. In case you missed it out, please watch lesson 3 and open yourself an account. And we said that let's start with the demo account. Let's start with the demo account. In case you need to financial markets trading, that is forex trading, that is stock markets trading, that is Bitcoin, all cryptocurrencies in general. Let's begin with a demo. So you're welcome once again. So last time we said that once you have opened up an account, whether it is a demo account or a real account, you are good to go. You're good to take the trade. We said that in case you want to buy, simply come and click on this button here, buy. That is when the market is going up. In case you want to sell, simply come and click on the red button here called sell. That is when the markets are going downwards. In other words, we said that you can always make money when the market is going up. In other words, you can see the trend here. Currently, the trend is going down. So you can make money when the trend is going up or when it is going down. So I'll be looking at that in the next lesson after this one. So what are we going to be looking at in today's lesson? We are going to be looking at how we can connect our account, that is Exness, that is the account that opened in Exness, to another platform that can be used and it is much simpler to use, and that is MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. For our case, we shall be using MetaTrader 5, that is mt5. So how do I go there? In case you don't want to, by the way, I'm saying that in case you're having issues, Exness, in case you want to trade on Exness, you may not be seeing the details of everything. In case maybe you want to do a study of your charts, you want to take the analysis before you take the trade, it may not be so easy for you to do that on this platform Exness. So in other words, it is better to use another platform that we're going to be installing today, and then we try out a few trades here and there and we see how it works. So we're going to connect our Exness account to another platform called MetaTrader 5. You can use MetaTrader 4 as well, but for this tutorial I'll be using MetaTrader 5, that is mt5. So let me go back to my app store and I simply type in mt5. I search and what comes first, we shall simply see this icon having 5 and it is written there MetaTrader 5. You can use MetaTrader 4 as well, but let's use mt5 for the moment. So let me install this. So once it is done, I simply come and open the platform. Automatically it will be opening for you a demo account. In case you didn't open an account with Exness, it will open for you a demo account right away. But the purpose of this video here is just to let you know or to equip you with the knowledge of how to connect your account from any broker, whether it is Exness, whether it is Templar, whether it is FBS, any broker, hot forex, all of them. Simply connect them to this platform here. We either use mt4 or mt5. Now some brokers don't have mt5, others have both mt4 and then mt5. So you need to take care of what you are going to be using. So this one is opening. It has opened up a demo account already and we can start taking the trades. But like I said, let me just connect this one to my account already. So I simply come to this icon of the profile. So when I click on the profile, this is what comes. Now this is the demo account, and as you can see, it has been deposited. They've deposited there $100,000 which you can use to try out all your practice before you go onto the live account. But I just want us to connect our account from Exness or from any other broker, and we connect it to this platform here. So I will simply come and connect, or I click on these 3 lines here. I click on that, then I add an account, and once I'm there, I'll to say that search for your broker. So like I said, there are very many brokers, so I'll simply come and search for Exness Technologies. That is one. Then from here, they will ask us to put in our login details. In case you don't have one, then you have to connect. In other words, you need to remember what you used in the previous lesson when you're trying to open up your account. Now, for my case, since we're linking an already existing account, I'll simply come to log into an existing account, and I'll simply go to my Exness platform. You put in your password, because this is an application as well for Exness, but you can as well go to your web browser. Simply type in my.exness.com, and then you log in to your account from the web browser. Or in case you've forgotten, simply type in Exness and search for it. Then you'll open the website for Exness, login, and then get your details from there. Now, since I'm using a phone or a tablet, let me get mine from my application, as I'm going to show you here. How when you put in the password or the pattern to your application, this is what comes, and this is my demo account. So what I want to get from here are my details. So I'll simply come and click on this arrow here. So from my application, I'll simply come and click on these 3 dots here, and then I go to settings, and then I get my details from here. These are my details. The login icon, the login details is there. I can simply come and copy this. I can simply come and I copy my login. Then when you go to the mt5, this is the server is Exness mt5 trial. Don't look for anything else. So once we're done with that, simply go back to your mt5, and then I simply type in, or I simply paste my login from here. This is the login, and then the password. Remember the password that you put in when you're opening up the account with your Exness broker. So that is the same password that you're going to be using here. Let me put in mine. So after putting in your password, then you come and search for the server. The server will say that it is server 9. It is trial 9. So come and look for trial 9. It is here. Exness mt5 trial 9 at the bottom. So that's what to put here. Then afterwards, simply click login, and you will be there. Yes. So this is the balance which is there, like we've seen from our Exness app. So it is the same balance that we have on our standard account. In the case you want to connect your real account still with mt5, it is also very okay. Do the same steps. You simply click these 3 lines, click settings, then you come and go to your real account. This is the demo. So first come on this standard here, look for the real account. After getting it, then you click on the 3 lines, settings, and then they're here. The login is this number here. Simply copy this, and the server is Exness mt5 real 9. Don't forget that. So do that same thing, and then connect everything to your mt5. Once you're done connecting, then you are good to go. You're good to try out. So let me go back. So once you have finished connecting your accounts from any broker, I said from any broker, and this is the process that will be going through all along using any other broker apart from Exness. So once we're done with that, you can simply come and click on the profile icon, this person icon here, to remove the account details or put them there. Simply click and test it out. So like I said, that you can always look for your demo account, this is the demo, this one here, demo will always be here. And then for the real account, it will as well be there. Simply need to scroll down and check out the other accounts. For example, the mt5 demo account, it is there. It is there. But what I want is our account, the excellence account. That's what I want us to try out with. So once you're done, you can simply come and click on this dollar symbol here, and you add any pair that you want. For example, I can pick out the first pair. This is Australia dollar, Canadian dollar. Simply click on that, and then it will be brought to my list. These are the lists here. So you can even add others. You can type others and then put them there. But let me just click on the first one, and then the chart comes. So this is my chart. This is my chart. And in case I want to make a sell or a buy, remember that we said that if the trend is going down, like for example, in case you see this general trend here, the trend is going down, so you look for sells. If the trend is going up, then you look for the buys. Now, how do I take a trade? Simply come to this plus symbol here, click on that, and then you simply click buy by market or sell by market. But since we're looking at selling, simply sell by the market. Of course, before you sell, you need to remember that these figures here play an important role. These figures here, these are the lot sizes. You shall be looking at these ones in the later lessons. But simply set it to 0.01 by clicking negative 0.01 or 0.1 or plus, just to add them or to decrease the number. So once it is 0.01, I'll be explaining this more in the next lesson. Simply come and sell the market. So once you've sold, your trade will be shown at the bottom here. So this is your trade. You've taken the trade now. Now the figures will be changing. This figure here will be changing. This is the profit or loss. We call this one a floating profit or loss. In case it is a negative, then you're in losses. If it is a positive, then you are in profits. Whenever I take the trade, whether I sell or a buy, it will always begin by having a negative there. That negative is the commission, which we call the spread. We talked about the spreads. This is the commission that the broker takes away from you. It is just a very small amount of money, so you don't need to get worried of this. So you just need to wait a little bit, and then you see that the chart is going in your direction. In case it is selling, then it will be going below the line. If it was a buy, then it will be going above the line. So let's just wait a little and we see. We can see that those lines there are going below the dotted line, but I'm not going to wait for that. I hope that you can see the figures here changing. In case both the red line goes down below the line, then we'll be having positives there, and you can either stop out or you can, in other words, you can close the trade and then you get your profit. In case you close the trade right now, you'll end up with a loss. So you'll have to wait until when it is in the positives. Depending on the volatility, it can even take seconds, or minutes, or hours, depending on how accurate you were. So at the moment I'm stopping here, and we shall be having our next lesson that will be about taking the trades. I'll be explaining more terms that we use when we meet again, especially the bulls, the bears, in other words, the trend. We shall be looking at the trends. When take the buy, when take the sell in great detail. Otherwise, have a great day.